Third, scurvy, swollen and bleeding gums. Swollen and bleeding gums. The disease is known as scurvy. It is because of vitamin C. Vitamin C. So, if a person is having swollen gums and many times bleeding of gums, so he is facing the problem of disease, that is scurvy. So, it is because of the vitamin deficiency of vitamin C. For cure of this disease, he has to take citrus fruits, cabbage, amla. All those fruits which are citrus in taste. So, or we can say that vitamin C is present in all those fruits whose taste is citrus. And in addition to this, it is present in cabbage, it is present in amla. Number fourth is rickets. Rickets is a disease in which bones becomes thin, and this disease is due to the lackness of vitamin D. It is because of lackness of vitamin D. Vitamin D. So far, the natural concern is vitamin D. If you feel that your bones are weak, so you have to be in sunlight. That gives strength to our bones. And in addition to that, you need to take milk, fish, meat, butter, eggs. So these are the 5 things where the vitamin D, quantity of vitamin D is abundant. So if you feel this kind of problem, bone problem is there, so or the doctor is advising you that you are facing a disease of rickets is there, so you have to take these kind of vitamins, milk, this kind of diet, milk, fish, meat, butter, eggs. Then the 5th is hemorrhage. Hemorrhage, the disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin K. It's caused due to the deficiency of vitamin K. And for the cure of this disease, the advisable diet is cabbage, cauliflower, soya beans. Cabbage, cauliflower, and soya beans. Then the 6th one is dementia. Dementia. Dementia is a disease which is caused due to the lackness of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12. And vitamin B12 is present in all kind of dairy products, that is in milk, dairy products, fish, egg, meat, and liver. So if a person is facing the disease of disease of dementia, so he needs to take the dairy products like fish, egg, meat, liver. Then the 7th is gout. It is because of the iodine problem. Oh, in ancient period we had non-iodized salt, so because of that the people were suffering. Because of this non-iodized salt, people were suffering the disease of goitre. But presently the decrease, there is a huge decrease in this disease, the goitre, because availability of iodized salt is there. So if a person is facing a problem, a disease of goitre, it is because of the iodine deficiency. That is and the last one is anemia. It is because of the iron deficiency. Anemia is a disease which is because of, occurs because of deficiency of iron. And for iron, we had the cure for iron deficiency disease of iron, or we can say the cure for the anemia is we have to take the diet where leafy vegetables, spinach, cabbage, meat, and apple. So these are the diet which we can take for the deficiency disease of these diseases. Once again, this figure is in front of you. You can have a check: night blindness, because of vitamin A. Beriberi because of vitamin B. Scurvy, swollen and bleeding gums because of vitamin C. Rickets because of vitamin D. Hemorrhage because of vitamin K. Dementia because of vitamin 12. Goitry because of iodine, and anemia because of iron. And again, I'll repeat it. Vitamin A, it is abundantly found in carrot, fish, fruits, milk and butter. Vitamin B